Hello guys, we all know that in this period of corona in quarantine we have to study online. So that is why I've made this channel to help you out guys for class 9 study. So today we'll study first page of the chapter Cell, the Unit of Life. Please, any queries, comment down below. I will definitely answer that whatever you will give me the queries or questions. What is a cell? You have learned that biology is the study of living organisms. There is a huge range of living organisms from the microscopic amoeba to the huge blue whale, but all living organisms have a basic feature in common. They are made up of building blocks called cells. The cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living beings. It is the smallest part of the body of an organism which is capable of independent existence and of performing the essential functions of life. Every organ in our body, the skin, the brain, the muscle, or even the bone, is composed of hundreds of thousands of such cells. Similarly, every part of a plant, the leaf, the flower, the root, and even the wood, is composed of an exceedingly large number of cells. Every cell has its own life. Old and weak cells in the body continually die and are replaced by new cells. Red blood cells, for instance, die after about 120 days, or organisms, including ourselves, start life as a single cell called the zygote. Cells are so small, microscopic, that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. It was therefore natural that their existence could not be detected by man until he invented magnifying aids in the form of microscopes. The invention of the microscope and the discovery of cell. The first microscope was constructed by Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek from 1632 to 1723. He was an ordinary public official who ground lenses and made microscope observations as a hobby. He is said to have constructed 400 microscopes. Basically, all his microscopes consisted of a single biconvex lens and were called simple microscopes. Some of these microscopes had a considerable magnifying power up to 200 times. One of Leeuwenhoek's microscope is shown in figure 2.1. In this microscope that the eye was applied close to the lens on one side and the object was mounted on the needle like screw point on the opposite side of the lens. Now, for today, we'll study till now only. In the next class, I'll teach you the second page of this chapter. Any queries, please comment down below, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel to keep supporting and to keep watching study connected content. Please like and share the class 9 study. Thank you. And I'm really sorry for the background noises that are continuously coming and disturbing my class. So please sorry me and comment what are the mistakes I have done or any word that is left or I have pronounced it wrong. We'll meet in the next class.